Hi guys, welcome back. Myself Dilip. In my yesterday's video, I was speaking about there is a good possibility prices will come down because there is a one-time framing market, and unless the prices sustains about Nifty. In yesterday's video, I was speaking about there is a good possibility prices will come down again. The reason I was giving you is a one-time framing market, and there is an imbalance, and there is a ledge area around 23,380 level. When you have multiple price magnets around one side of Nifty, you know that the prices will likely go in that direction. So what happened today is Nifty itself has opened inside the value area, indicating locals control, and that is the first sign that you should not be going any kind of longs until the prices sustains above 23,550 levels. So what happened, it tested the yesterday's high and then immediately closed. It gave a open test drive, and whenever you see this open test drive, there will be a 100 to 200% range extension of that open test drive. Immediately in the next 30 minutes itself, prices have extended downside, and there was more than 200% extension of open test drive candle, and there was a pullback again inside in 11:45 candle, and then prices again came down. So as the prices started making a pullback again, it is purely a trapping behavior, because if you look at the low around 10:15 candle and 10:45 candle, this is a poor low, which happens when the sellers are not very strong, but then prices goes upside and finds more sellers, and then prices comes down. That's what happened again. For tomorrow, what we should be looking is that if you look at the low itself, if you look at today Nifty low itself is a poor low, and we have a strong single print at from 23,160 to 23,115 level. So this single print area is going to be our good opportunity for tomorrow. So any kind of gap up tomorrow, likely it could be a sideways market inside 23,330 levels, and even 23,400 also it might go. But if at all there is going to be a gap down opening or a flat opening, prices will likely touch the 23,050 levels. But at the same time, let me also tell you guys, unless Nifty futures closes below 22,900 levels, which is 6th June value area high, there could be a sideways market or a total reversal. So you need to watch for this 22,900 levels in futures. So if it gets accepted, good possibility 22,850 levels and 22,780 levels. So this is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, so same thing in Bank Nifty also. Yesterday I was speaking about whatever the up move is just to take out the weak shorts, and if you look at today, the reason I was speaking yesterday, unless prices get sustained above 50,000 levels for 30 minutes to 1 hour, it is going to be a sell on raise. So whatever the up move, it is just to take out the weak shorts who are there at the lower levels. So once the buyers could able to hold yesterday above the previous day balance, whatever the shorts were there, they strongly unwind, creating a yesterday one time framing market. And the problem with this one time framing market, these are least reliable. At the same time, this is a double distribution day in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, separated by a single print. So when you see a single print and a double distribution day in combination with multiple price magnets, like which I was mentioning at 48,340 levels, and there is also a price magnet at yesterday's low. So with all these things, guys, just like Nifty, it's a clear indication that the prices will come down. But at the same time, if you look at the overall market itself is within the broader balance. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost 7 days there was a broader balance. We call it as a composite profile or multi-day balance. So when prices gets rejected on one side of the balance, prices goes to the other side. That is what happening for continuously from last 7 days. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is, as I said, 48,340 levels is a good price magnet, and it needs to get revisited. At the same time, you should not underestimate the big traders' ability to hold the prices for one more day. So for that case, look for price acceptance above 48,800 levels. Any acceptance here, probability is there it might go for 49,200 levels, and 49,400 levels is very much possible, and then lastly 49,800 is also very much possible. So for any kind of further strong confident up move, 50,000 needs to be sustained on 30 minutes to 1 hour. So only then we can say that sellers may not be able to take control at least for some period of time, and then buyers might try to take control. Unless that happens, sellers will keep coming in. And downside targets, guys, after testing these 48,340 levels, there is a good possibility it might even come down to 47,980 levels. There is some buyer coming in from last few days. If this buyer strongly unwinds, which is a high possibility, there would be a strong down move all the way down to 46,930 levels, which is the value area low of 5th June. So again, let me remind you, this is the day where we have seen a strong down move because of election results. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.